Welcome to our channel. If you need to sync your Fitbit with your phone or connect it to a new phone, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Make sure the Fitbit app is installed on your phone. Download it from the App Store or Google Play Store if needed. Step 2. Open the Fitbit app and log in with your Fitbit account credentials. Step 3. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Go to your phone's settings and toggle Bluetooth on. Step 4. In the Fitbit app, tap on your profile picture or icon in the top left corner. Step 5. Tap Set up a device if you're connecting to a new phone, or tap your device name if it's already listed. Step 6. Select your Fitbit model from the list if setting up on a new phone. Step 7. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your Fitbit in pairing mode. This usually involves holding buttons or following prompts on the device screen. Step 8. Wait for the app to detect your Fitbit. When it appears, tap on it to begin syncing. Step 9. Confirm any pairing codes that appear on both your Fitbit and phone to establish the connection. Step 10. Once connected, enable all-day sync in the app settings to automatically sync your data throughout the day. Step 11. Manually sync at any time by pulling down on the app's home screen or tapping the sync icon. Step 12. If you encounter issues, try restarting both your Fitbit and phone, then attempt the connection process again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.